going slightly mad.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a bloody brain Jello treat for all of you. It's quick and simple and easy to make. Today I'm using this stevia, I'm not even sure how to pronounce it, but it was on sale. I'm not adding the vodka because it's for a school event, but I'm just using the Jello. What you're going to need is 1 box of gelatin, strawberry preferably, 1 bottle of water, and 1 pot ready to go. And you're going to take 2.5 cups of water, like so, and then pour it in. Woo! I am not Emerald Live. Don't set anything on fire. And this one will be a 1/2 cup, like so. Make sure that it's even on the mark. I think that's pretty good. And then pour it in. So you're going to wait till the water boils. This test tube spray stuff is a bomb. And like quite literally, be careful while opening this thing. There's a stupid seal on it and it freaking exploded. Not even lying. Freaking exploded. This thing's a bomb. So the water is like pretty much almost boiled. And then I'm going to get my bowl over here. It's a pretty big ceramic bowl that I'm going to use to pour this stuff into there. We're cooking and drinking. Forgive me if this video is just out of whack and sync. Hey, CasualBarehn. There's too many mosquitoes. Like, go away. We need some vodka in this. No, we don't. Because it's going to be for the school. They have blueberry, lime, and unflavored. But, like, the unflavored might be nasty. Blueberry and green would be interesting for some, like, Halloween treats.
Howdy, y'all. CasualBarehn here, and just eating some tostada shells and hummus and drinking some red wine. It's got that flavor for, like, we got it on sale, and it's got that flavor you might cook with it, or you might eat something salty and drink it. I made something salty with some hummus, drinking it. It's good.
He's a wine thief. I'm like, you literally need to open this with scissors. I am not Hercules. You pour it in the bowl. Haha. Then take your boiling water and pour it in. Then you stir for 2 minutes or until it's like dissolved. It's been dissolved. Move all that stuff out of the way. Move. I need my brain. You take a brain mold. I got mine at Walmart like a few years ago. It's been used for the other one that I've popped out of here. Brain mold is completely cleaned and dried. For the most part, you want to take your boiling, steaming hot Jello and pour it into the brain like so. You can take your time with it. Don't make too much of a mess because it's hard to clean up. Don't look at my shame. And you want to do that until the whole brain is filled, or as much as your liquid will get you, basically. It's wine time, everyone. That's how you know you're having a good baking experience. If you're just like, I don't care anymore. Like, you're just like taking it and then shoving it over here. I wish I could just pour a bowl into the brain, but you know what? I'm not that coordinated, and I probably would spill everything. But you know what? We have our wine, so we're all right. You know what? I know how all these moms in the cities bake for their school functions. You know what? You know they're baking with a glass maybe a bottle of wine. And you know what? They're just doing this like, I know it's time consuming, but you know what? I have my friend here.
Yum.
I don't care. Dunk. Scoop and dunk. We're doing this for like, I don't know how long. You need wine when you're doing this because you know this stuff gets boring. But we love our kids and we love our community. We love our functions. And you know what? We're gonna have a glass of wine here and there, and you know what? We're gonna do it up. Put the Jello mold brain thing into the bowl here, and I'm going to transport it to the fridge. I need your help, CasualBarehn.
At your service. Oh yeah.
Okay, CasualBarehn is going to transport the brain mold into the fridge. And you maybe want to put a paper towel on top, just in case, you know, nothing goes on top of it. You always want to protect your baked goods. And that's going to stay in the fridge for about 2 hours or so. But I have one that's already done. Look how, like, I don't know, brainish this stuff is. Like, it's so cold. So you want to take your your brain juice, and spray it like so. You want to pump it a few times, and you could get this at Walmart. That's where I found mine. Super easy to like purchase. Why is my brain? Oh my god, it's already stuck. Ugh. CasualBarehn assistance.
Why is it like oozing?
I don't know.
It takes a while for it to like reload.
Reload now.
The way it looks right now, it looks like they had serious blood clots.
Something was eating their brain. It looks great. It looks like a dinosaur foot.
This fake blood is fake.
Was my interesting blood brain treat video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Press the notification bell, ding dong, and you'll be notified when I press my own notification bell. You'll be notified when you press the notification bell of more of my videos, which are who knows when. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.
I'm going slightly mad. I'm going slightly mad.